I'm going to explain about list. What is a list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. This is an example of list. Important thing about a list is that items in a list need not to be of the same type. Creating a list is as simple as putting different comma-separated values between square brackets. You can update single or multiple elements of list by giving the slice on the left-hand side of the assignment operator, and you can add the elements in a list with the